Good day, my name is Musa Umaru. I am the founder and CEO of Great Moses Music Academy, Kaduna State, Nigeria. In 2017, I discovered some youth creatively dancing on the street and singing with an amazing voices, and yet they were unable to earn a living with what they do simply because they lack the required platform to develop these talents. I conducted a research on youth's empowerment and job creation, and I realized a vibrant subsector under the music and creative art industry has been neglected, as most schools in Kaduna State did not offer music programs, and even the few schools only provide music theories without enough practical skills which are needed in the labor markets. I was so passionate about this problem, and I saw it as an opportunity for me to make a difference in my community by establishing Great Moses Music Academy in order to help the youth, aspiring musicians, music artists and organizations to professionally learn how to read and write music, produce music, creatively dance, and play various musical instruments such as piano, guitar, drums, violin, saxophone, trumpet, and voice training that will empower them musically, morally, socially, and mentally to excel in life and either start a business or get a job and become self-reliant.